Iranian warship headed to Venezuela with 7 high-speed missile boats aboard. An Iranian Navy ship thought to be bound for Venezuela left its port in late April with 7 high-speed missile attack craft strapped to its deck, USNI News has learned. According to imagery provided to USNI News by Maxar, the Iranian Navy's new forward-basing ship, IRINS Makran, was seen on April 28 after leaving its homeport with 7 attack boats aboard. Last week, citing 3 U.S. officials, Politico reported that the Pentagon believes Maxar and an Iranian frigate were steaming down Africa's east coast, ultimately bound for Venezuela. Those boats seen in the satellite images match the characteristics of the Peykaap family of medium-sized fast attack craft operated by the sectarian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, IRGCN. The IRGCN is responsible for the coastal security of Iran, and the Strait of Hormuz, and similar vessels equipped with torpedoes and missiles have been used to harass U.S. ships in the Persian Gulf. The 7 missile craft aboard Makran are each approximately 57 feet, 17.5 meters, long and match the Peykaap family of medium-sized fast attack craft operated by Iran. There are several variations of these craft in Iranian service, although all are generally similar. The latest Peykaap 2 type, also known as the Bavar class, is 57 feet long and can carry 2 anti-ship missiles and 2 12.75-inch torpedoes. The missiles could be of the Kausar or Nasser types, which are derived from Chinese models with a quite modest range of around 18 nautical miles. Additionally, the ship could be carrying other military equipment not readily apparent from the imagery. There has been concern that Venezuela may attempt to acquire ballistic missile technology from Iran. Some areas of the deck are now covered, so it has not been possible to assess the full cargo of the ship. Venezuela's regime, led by President Nicolás Maduro, has talked openly of acquiring arms from Iran. Meanwhile, Iranian special forces belonging to the IRGC's Quds Force may already be assisting the Venezuelan military. If the boats are delivered, they may form the core of an asymmetrical warfare force within Venezuela's armed forces. This could be focused on disrupting shipping as a means of countering superior naval forces.